Welcome to Setup Mastery, your go-to channel for all things tech. Here, we explore the latest gadgets, unbox cutting-edge devices, and provide step-by-step installation guides to help you optimize your setup. Subscribe now and join our journey to master the art of perfect setups. In today's video, I'll walk you through the process of quickly setting up the MSRM US300 Wi-Fi Extender using the WPS method. This straightforward method makes it easy to extend your Wi-Fi coverage without the hassle of manual configurations. Let's dive in and get your network up and running. Before we dive into the setup, let's take a moment to unbox the MSRM US300 Wi-Fi Extender and see what's inside. You'll find the extender itself, a quick installation guide, and a power cable. This user-friendly, plug-and-play device is built to enhance and extend your existing Wi-Fi signal seamlessly. Start by plugging your MSRM US300 Wi-Fi extender into a power outlet. It's important to place the extender within a reasonable range of your existing Wi-Fi router to ensure a strong and stable WPS connection. This will help the setup process go smoothly without interruptions. Next, locate the WPS button on your extender. This button is typically found on the back or side of the device. Pressing it will allow the extender to connect to your router via the WPS method, ensuring a seamless network extension. Next, locate the WPS button on your router. This button is typically found on the back or side of the device. Press and hold it for about 3 to 5 seconds. Once the WPS light starts blinking, it indicates that your router is in pairing mode and ready to connect with the extender. Now, grab your MSRM US300 extender and locate the WPS button, which is usually on the front or side of the device. Press it, and you'll see the WPS light on the extender begin to blink. This indicates that the extender is actively trying to pair with your router via WPS, setting the stage for a seamless connection. At this point, your router and extender will begin to communicate with each other, which may take up to 2 minutes. Once the WPS light on the extender turns solid, it indicates that the connection has been successfully established, and your network extension is ready to use. Once the WPS light is solid, check your devices. You should now see an extended network that's connected to your main Wi-Fi. Test the connection by browsing the internet, and you should notice improved Wi-Fi coverage. Feel free to relocate the extender to the ideal spot for optimal performance. For the best results, place it approximately halfway between your router and the area that requires better coverage. This positioning ensures a strong connection to your router while effectively boosting the signal in the desired area. If you run into any issues or need assistance, our team of experienced professionals is here to help. Don't hesitate to reach out to us for support or guidance with any setup or troubleshooting needs. We're just a phone call away at 1-323-507-3713. And that's a wrap. You've successfully set up your MSRM US300 Wi-Fi extender using the WPS method, and now you can enjoy a stronger, more reliable Wi-Fi signal throughout your home. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.